Good morning, brothers and sisters. God bless you. Let's get into the Word. Today we are reading from Matthew chapter 5. This is the Sermon on the Mount. And we're going to be going through the Beatiudes. This is some of the most famous scripture and teaching that Jesus gave, and we're going to go through it slowly, one verse at a time for the next 9 days. We have 9 verses here between Matthew chapter 5, verse 3 to verse 11. So let's jump in with verse number 3. It says, God blesses those who are poor and realize their need for Him, for the kingdom of heaven is theirs. Now, to me, that verse says that there's a kingdom that we can inherit. And when we think of the word kingdom, we need to accept that that means king's dominion. So it is the dominion over which the king reigns, and the king is the most powerful one. So if we are in the kingdom and we know we're not the king, then that means we need to be in submission to the king. And that kind of plays into the first part of the verse. It says, realize their need for Him. Without the Creator, there would be no creation. Without His breath, we would not be able to breathe. Without the words that He spoke to create the earth, we would have nothing to stand on. Without His energy flowing through us, we would have no being. Without His identity, we would have no identity. We are nothing without Him. He is the King. We live in His kingdom. We need Him and His provision for every single thing that we have. And so it seems to say, the very first part says God blesses. So I think when we realize that, He gives us more. He blesses us when we realize that need for Him and submit to it. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.